Sleigh bells are ringing, carolers singing, children are making their lists. If Santa should question or need a suggestion, there's only one thing I miss. I really want a yard sale for Christmas. I want to make a pile in your garage. So Santa, if you hear me and you want to make me cheery, just bring me a yard sale for Christmas. I really want a yard sale for Christmas. I want to sell your junk for more than you. The weather may be cold, but these thrift stores sure get old. Please bring me a yard sale for Christmas. I really want a yard sale for Christmas. I promise I won't lowball sweet old folks. I'll bring my little boy, that kid always wants a toy. Bring me a yard sale for Christmas. Please bring me a yard sale for Christmas.
Flippin' ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Bravo!
When they hear that cha-ching, they all look at me. I guess they know why I'm buying this crap.
All right.